Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to easily reset your Explore page on Instagram. So let's jump right into it. First, we open up the Instagram app and now here is my Explore page. Let's say I got bored of the same stuff that get recommended to me here and I want to change it quickly. So all I have to do is go to my profile by tapping the bottom right corner right here. And then we tap on the three lines on the top right corner and go to settings. From here we're gonna have to search for search history. We tap on it and then we click on clear all searches. Now it's gonna give you an option of only clearing searches of last hour or the recent ones, but I would recommend you clear all searches for better results. So we go ahead and do that and then we click on done. From here we go back to the Explore page and do a quick refresh. You can see it changed some of the content. Now if that still doesn't change it enough for you, you can always tap on the post that you don't want to see more of, tap on the three buttons on top of each post and click on not interested. Another thing you can do is go ahead and like the posts that you want to see more of, interact with them, comment, share with your friends, and that's how you will end up seeing more of what you like and less of what you don't like on your Explore page. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please like and comment down below. Also, subscribe to the channel for future solutions and tips for all of your tech problems. Thanks for watching and see you next time.